Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 112. When acceptor for honor may be charged. Section 112 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 lays down the conditions under which an acceptor for honor can be held liable on a bill of exchange and makes it clear that such liability is not immediate or absolute. The section protects the acceptor for honor by requiring completion of the prescribed legal formalities and ensuring that liability arises only after the original drawee has failed to honor the bill at maturity. 1. Meaning of acceptor for honor. An acceptor for honor is a person who is not originally liable on a bill of exchange but voluntarily accepts it after it has been protested for non-acceptance or for better security. Such acceptance is made to protect the honor or commercial reputation of a liable party, and the acceptor for honor undertakes to pay the bill if the original drawee fails to do so at maturity. 2. Purpose of Section 112. The object of Section 112 is to define the circumstances in which an acceptor for honor becomes legally liable and to ensure that the drawee is first given an opportunity to make payment. The section further requires proper establishment of dishonor by the drawee and prevents the acceptor for honor from being unfairly charged without compliance with legal requirements. 3. Liability is conditional. The liability of an acceptor for honor is conditional and secondary in nature, and he cannot be charged unless the mandatory legal steps required to enforce such liability have first been completed. 4. Presentment to the drawee at maturity. The section requires that the bill must be presented to the drawee for payment at maturity so that the holder first demands payment from the original drawee. This ensures that the drawee is given a proper opportunity to honor the bill, and only thereafter can the acceptor for honor be called upon to pay. 5. Importance of presentment at maturity. Presentment at maturity is essential because the drawee remains primarily liable for payment, and the acceptor for honor becomes liable only upon the drawee's default, requiring the holder to first proceed against the drawee. 6. Dishonor by the drawee. After presentment, the drawee must dishonor the bill by refusing or failing to make payment, as such dishonor is an essential condition for the liability of the acceptor for honor to arise, and in its absence the bill stands paid and no liability is incurred. 7. Requirement of noting or protest. The section further requires that the drawee's dishonor be formally noted or protested by a notary public, with such noting or protest serving as official evidence of dishonor. 8. Purpose of noting or protest. The requirement of noting or protest serves as an essential safeguard by creating reliable evidence of dishonor, protecting the acceptor for honor against false claims, and ensuring compliance with commercial formalities. 9. Sequence of events required. Before an acceptor for honor can be charged, the bill must mature, be presented to the drawee for payment, and be dishonored by the drawee. The dishonor must then be noted or protested, after which the holder may proceed against the acceptor for honor, who is not liable unless these conditions are fulfilled. 10. Protection given to acceptor for honor. The section protects the acceptor for honor because his liability is voluntary and exceptional, and he is not treated as the primary debtor on the bill. It also ensures that proper commercial procedures are followed before he is charged, thereby encouraging third parties to accept bills for honor without fear of unfair liability. For more details, contact us.